Hello everyone, I am Tasluk Morshid and I'm doing my master thesis at Luge University, and my thesis topic is integrating sustainability into the Agile digital product development life cycle. So basically, for my master thesis, I need data connection, and for that data connection, I have made this recorded video about my tools, and then I need a survey for the data. And let me just give a brief introduction about my master's thesis so that you can have the idea what it's about. So basically, the theme is integrating sustainability into the agile digital product life cycle. So basically, in my thesis, I have these challenges. For example, in many companies, they have organizational level sustainability goals, but most of the sustainability goals are not converted into daily life. So the software engineer who writes code actually doesn't know about these organizational level sustainability goals, and they don't know how to integrate this sustainability. So there is no clear method to integrate sustainability into the user stories and use cases. And one more thing is that the team work on sustainability, and they cannot track their efforts. For example, if you think about like team A and team B, for example, A is working on software development, and they are also working on sustainability, but team B doesn't work on sustainability. So there should be a method like how much team A is gonna do the is providing efforts for sustainability. So there should be some effort tracking method so that we can track the efforts of individual team members. So for this case, I have identified my research goal. Like I have to identify the gaps that prevent sustainability integration in agile cycles, and then design method to embed sustainability into agile. So basically, in this research, I'm using science research methodology to create a prototype or artifact so that the product owner and the product manager can easily integrate sustainability into user stories and use cases. So then the next part is also this prototype can track the team efforts towards sustainability. The next question is like why I'm just focusing on user stories and use cases. Why not another thing? So when a product owner or product manager write user stories, basically they write this type of user stories. Like as a user, I want to watch videos in the highest quality available so that I have the best viewing experience. So this is a standard user stories. But if you shift this normal user stories into a sustainable one, and you can see in the right side, like as a user, I want the video player to automatically select the best quality my network and device can support so that I can get a smooth experience without consuming unnecessary data or energy. So by writing these sustainable user stories, so it motivate the developers and it remind the developers like okay, you need to remember the sustainability aspect, or if you need to understand the sustainability while you write the code. So this will create a great impact in the development of software in the initial phase, basically. So now I will give you the overview of my prototype. So this is my prototype. So basically, in this prototype, you can create a new project. For example, let me show a video streaming. Let me create a project about video streaming and technology and software, video live streaming. We want to make the software energy efficient and sustainable. For example, uh, we want to reduce the carbon emissions. Okay, so let me create this project and okay. So in here in this project, you can basically add your user stories. So if someone uses the Jira board or any other tools, so they can copy and paste their user stories in here. And from here, you can convert your normal user stories into a sustainable version. So let me show you one. I want to give you example. So I already have some example for the user stories. Okay, so let's say this is a normal user stories and this is written by the product owner. So now we want to convert this user stories into the sustainable one. So let's see. So it might take a little bit time. So basically in here, we can say that as a user, I want to see results in one list based on best matches so that the results from different sources are mixed in one list. So the AI suggestion and the AI actually converted this normal user stories into a sustainable version. So as a user, I want the system to show a unified list of results, loading only the item needed for the current view and fetch more as I scroll so that I get relevant combined result without unnecessary data transfer or processing. So basically, what the AI is doing, it's taking these normal user stories and converted it into a sustainable version, and it also added some acceptance criteria so that those acceptance criteria can be followed by the software developers, and they can follow step by step these acceptance criteria and write efficient codes. So initially load, for example, initial loads pages only enough result to fill the visual viewpoint, not the full dataset. So this is the sustainable version of the user stories, and by this way, actually, we can actually create our software more energy efficient, and we can reduce the carbon emission in total. So then we can accept this user stories, the sustainable version of user stories, and then we can view this one. So basically. So for example, a product owner, for example, he wants to edit this the initial version one, so he can definitely edit this one, and he can generate the sustainable user stories again. And after reading this one, he can regenerate or he can accept this if he thinks like everything is good and it's good and everything is all right, then he can accept this sustainable version. And so basically he converted the normal user stories into a sustainable version one. So this is the one case for the user stories. There is another case about the use cases. So we can also add use cases. So use cases mean like when you write the code, there is a step-by-step procedure. So in the use cases, uh, everything is written in a step-by-step process. So it is more helpful for the software developer so that they can easily understand what they want, what they need to build actually. So I also have example of the uh, use cases. For example, let's say select video quality, this use case. Let me just copy and paste and everything. And primary actor, uh, register user, okay, pre-condition and post-condition, pre-condition and post-condition. And let me just, this is the step-by-step process of the use case. Actually, let me just copy and paste. Basically, this is a step-by-step process, like how the developers will build the video showing the video platform actually. Okay, okay, I think yeah, 10 is enough. So let's just generate this normal use case into a more sustainable one, sustainable version. Let's see. Uh, we can also read this like while a video is playing. Move the cursor on the tab screen and then click the tab, click or taps the setting icon to select the quality and display. We can read this from here. Click on tab and then display quality section for like showing the 4K HD or low quality. Then highlight the current active quality option uh, in the menu. Okay, still loading. Okay, so okay, sorry for the waiting because the AI is reasoning and that's why it take a little bit more time. Okay. So the sustainable version is already generated. Let me just show you side by side. So basically, this AI is converted these use cases into a more sustainable version one. For example, if you see the number two, like we mentioned, click the or tap the setting icon or a quality button in the player button and it says like the AI suggested like click the local cached video manifesto for availability. Then if the manifest is not cached, then fetch it once from the backend and store it for use. So basically, the sustainable version suggested to use the cache version first, then only fetch from the backend. Then display the quality section menu using the cache list, then rendering option locally without triggering. So basically, the AI is suggesting how to make this process into more sustainable one. So and it doesn't convert it all the 10 steps. It just focusing on it's know like which step is more valuable to convert it into the sustainable version. So in here we can regenerate this thing and we can also like accept it, this thing. So we can add as much as use cases in one user stories. So yes, this is the summary of version 1, and I really need your feedbacks so that I can improve my artifacts, and hopefully it will help to the product owner and the product manager a lot. And hopefully I can create some big changes in the software development. life cycle. Thank you so much for watching.